Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open format DJ. Open format DJing means you play a wide variety of music genres, from hip-hop to rock, pop, and electronic dance music. This approach demands incredible versatility, allowing you to adapt your set to any crowd or event. It's about mastering the art of reading the room and keeping everyone dancing, no matter their musical preference. This skill is crucial for a successful DJ career. To excel as an open-format DJ, your equipment is key. You'll need a dependable DJ controller or a pair of professional CDJs, offering tactile control over your music. Invest in high-quality headphones for accurate cueing and beat matching, ensuring seamless transitions. Finally, a powerful and clear sound system, whether your own or provided by the venue, is essential to deliver an impactful audio experience to your audience. A diverse and well-organized music library is the backbone of any open-format DJ. You should acquire thousands of tracks across countless genres, from classic hits to the latest chart toppers. Meticulously organize your music by beats per minute, musical key, and even mood, allowing for quick and intuitive track selection. Regularly updating your collection ensures you always have fresh material to keep your sets exciting and relevant. Mastering performance techniques is vital for captivating your audience. Practice seamless transitions, even when jumping between drastically different genres and tempos. Develop the ability to adapt your setlist on the fly, responding to the crowd's reactions and energy levels. Interact with your audience, perhaps through a microphone or by simply making eye contact, to create a memorable and engaging experience that keeps them on the dance floor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.